This is Andy. Andy is the owner of an auto glass shop in Boston. Andy realizes the power of the importance of the internet to fuel his business. But to get the phone to ring consistently is not that easy, as advertising is very expensive, and without guarantee the phone will actually ring with new customers. There must be a better way. Luckily for Andy, he came across LeadLink Media's exclusive pay-per-call service, where real-time phone leads are generated from the internet and sent directly to his phone. Each call is recorded and reported each and every week, so Andy knows exactly how many calls he should be charged for. Andy can finally relax and focus on his business while his phone rings with new customers. So what are you waiting for? Let LeadLink Media handle your auto glass shop's lead generation. All you have to do is answer the phone and convert the caller for auto glass replacement into a paying customer. Call LeadLink Media to get started. 888-471-0324.